Hello kids, today we are going to draw this amazing cupcake. You can draw with me using your own paper and pencil, step by step. First we are starting with drawing a heart. Then covering this heart in oval shape. Now drawing 3 small circles in this oval shape. Now we are going to repeat the same process in bigger size. That is, first oval shape and then 3 circles. Now drawing the cup of the cupcake. Making straight line on the cup. Second straight line. Third straight line. Fourth straight line. Last, that is fifth straight line. Now our cupcake is ready. Did you enjoy the drawing? Do like and subscribe to the channel for more such drawings. Thank you for watching.